What seems to be the problem here?
Went off again?
Yes.
Yes. How much will that hold?
I don't know, but don't move. Wait till you see that on YouTube. You have a fly right on your head. I have no idea what it will hold. It's a Sony though. The zoom feature is quite amazing on this.
Happy birthday, honey.
I was filming over there, but thank you. Tevin! Tevin!
I'm so glad y'all can have
You're so zoomed in, all I seen was his head. Hello.
Say happy birthday.
Smile pretty.
Show me your pretty teeth.
What do we got over here?
One. Just one. It's on you.
She's got the tongue working.
You want to go back in? You want to go in? Want to go back in? Okay.
Hey, mister, how are you? Can you show us how you jump? Can you jump for us? Maybe not. There's Mama Ursula.
She jumped in there for a long time.
Did she? Julie, Kylie.
She won't do it.
It's on the ice chest.
Here's the new owners of a proud new turtle or two.
You want to go back? Go ahead. Go in. Go in. Daddy, she's going in again.
All right.
She's changed her mind.
Let's see if I can come over here. Kalyssa! Kalyssa, 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 look! Kalyssa, look! Kalyssa! She's too determined to get out.
She jumped.
There's William. You don't want to stay in there, huh?
You want me to put your shoes on? Gonna play together or what? Yeah, I need to put your shoes on.
Got a couple strays over here. I got you. What's your name, sir?
Carson.
Carson, how are you today?
Good.
Good. Are you starting kindergarten?
I'm not. No.
Are you about excited to start kindergarten?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Can you get this rope down?
Oh, yes. Whose rope is this?
Mine. It's his.
Huh. You really tied this up here. That's as far as I can go. You tied a knot all the way up there. Look. Tied a knot all the way up there. Oh, I can jump and get that. Hold on. Look out. Let go.
Yeah.
And who do you belong to, young man? Oh, you're Junior's son, aren't you?
Yes.
All right. How are you today?
I'm good.
All right. Welcome. Clearing the path. How are you?
Why are you taking this on video?
Because when my turtles get bigger and they're looking for their sisters and brothers, I'm gonna have somebody to show them. I'm gonna say this girl right here on this camera took one of the turtles as a new pet.
Really?
Really? Now you show them the video. Does that sound good? It always feels uncomfortable when you have one of these, huh? Watch the zoom features on this. It's hard to hold steady.